In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a GIF to Klaviyo email template. To get started, log into your Klaviyo account and head to your main navigation. You are going to work from the template area, since that is where you can design an email layout and reuse it later. Click Content and then choose Templates. This takes you to the library where your saved templates live. Next, select the template you want to edit. If you do not already have one, create a new template so you have a canvas to work with. Once the editor opens, take a moment to confirm you are in the drag-and-drop builder so you can add blocks easily. Now you are ready to place your GIF. From the Blocks panel, drag an image block into the email where you want the animation to appear. Try to position it in a spot where it supports your message, such as under a headline, near a product highlight, or above a call to action. Placing it with intention helps it feel like part of the design instead of a distraction. After the image block is in the layout, click into that image area so its settings appear. On the left sidebar, click Browse. This opens your image library, where you can choose an existing file or bring in a new one. From the library window, click Upload, then select your GIF file from your computer. It is a good idea to use a GIF that is optimized for email. Keep the file size reasonable so the email loads quickly, and make sure the animation still looks clear on mobile screens. Once the GIF finishes uploading, select it, then click Insert to place it into the image block. You should now see the GIF inside your email template preview. Finally, click Save to store your changes. Saving is important since it ensures the GIF stays attached to the template the next time you use it in a campaign or flow. And that is all there is to it.